In this video I will show you how to replace the fan in an Asus X552C laptop and similar models. The fan in my Asus laptop stopped working properly. To be more precise, it still works, but it's very noisy even at low speeds, doesn't provide proper cooling for the processor, and as a result the computer randomly restarts. It overheats under heavy loads, so it's urgent to replace the fan. When you turn on the laptop, you can hear that the fan is noticeably grinding, spinning slowly and not cooling the system. To replace it, I bought a new fan from Sunon. This is what it looks like. And it looks quite similar to the original. It's not the cheapest option, but rather in the mid-price range. To get to the fan, you need to turn the laptop upside down and release the battery latches. Disconnect the power, pull the battery out towards you, and unscrew this cover. There are two screws here, one on the left and one on the right side. Unscrew them. These screws are long. Remove the cover to the side. After that, you need to remove the hard drive. To do this, unscrew the 3 screws securing it. Around the perimeter. The screws here are short. Set them aside. Move the hard drive to the side and lift it out. This is what it looks like. After that, unscrew all the screws marked with the letter A around the perimeter. Then turn the laptop over and open it up. And carefully, using a flat card or a plastic tool, unclip the top part of the keyboard. It's more convenient for me to start from here. All around the perimeter. Carefully and gently disconnect the flexible keyboard ribbons. And set the keyboard aside. These are the ribbons. After that, remove the drive bay with the CD drive, unscrewing the screw that holds it in place. Here, it's shiny, don't forget about that. And slide out the drive bay. Now carefully disconnect this Wi-Fi adapter, then gently unscrew the single retaining screw. Here, it's also quite short, and we will carefully disconnect it. We need to disconnect the 2 distinct connectors, specifically the black one and the white one, ensuring a smooth process. The black connector is longer, the white one is shorter. Lift the adapter and remove it from its slot. This is what the adapter looks like for me. After that, unscrew all the screws marked with this kind of white triangle. I keep them separate so I don't mix them up with the screws from the cover. Unscrew the screws securing the cooler. Here, everything is one piece. Now you can lift everything up. As you can see, here is the cooling system. As you can see, here is the cooling system, here is the thermal paste. I replaced it recently, and here this system connects to the cooler, which is removed in this direction. Disconnected from the control board. Here it just pulls out. Here you can see there is a kind of tape that attaches the cooler to this cooling radiator. You need to take the same kind of tape or a piece of electrical tape and replace it with a new one. You can see that this cooler also has... We're meticulously performing the modification with the Uno, just as we would on a brand new unit, ensuring that everything functions seamlessly and cohesively as a single integrated system. We then proceed to connect the cooler to the intricate cooling system with utmost care and precision, taking every precaution not to cause any damage or breakage to the delicate components. Following this, we securely attach it with a robust piece of high-quality adhesive tape. Specifically, I am utilizing 3M tape, which is renowned for its exceptional strength, superior adhesion, and unwavering reliability, guaranteeing that absolutely nothing will come loose or detach over time. Now, with the cooler firmly connected and secured, we move on to the next crucial step. We carefully plug it into its designated socket on the main board. This particular connection is designed to be foolproof, as the connector is uniquely shaped and engineered to fit only one way, making it virtually impossible to incorrectly insert or mix up the orientation. Subsequently, in the precisely prepared and designated spot, we meticulously install the Wi-Fi adapter into its corresponding socket, ensuring a snug and proper fit. Once in place, we secure it firmly with a small, appropriate screw, preventing any movement or dislodgement. Moving on to the DVD-ROM in its specially prepared and allocated spot, we gently and carefully insert it into its dedicated socket, guiding it smoothly until it is fully seated. We then fasten it securely with a shiny, durable screw, adding a touch of aesthetic appeal while ensuring its stability. Finally, all that remains is to carefully put the spring and the keyboard back into their original position, meticulously tucking away all the various wires and cables. This careful arrangement ensures that they are neatly organized and completely out of the way, preventing any interference or obstruction during the subsequent installation processes and ensuring a clean, professional finish.
It should be positioned securely underneath, ensuring that absolutely nothing gets in the way or obstructs its proper placement.
We meticulously close the lid, ensuring a perfect fit and secure seal, which is vital for protecting the internal components. Following this, we carefully screw in all the screws at the back of the laptop, precisely those that we had previously removed during the disassembly process, ensuring each is tightened appropriately for a firm attachment. Subsequently, we gently but firmly put the bottom cover back in its designated place, making sure all clips and alignment points are correctly engaged, thus restoring the laptop's structural integrity. After the cover is securely in position, we proceed to install the battery, connecting it properly to its port and ensuring it is seated correctly within its compartment, which is essential for the laptop's power supply. Once the battery is installed, we then perform a thorough check to observe and evaluate how the laptop's cooler operates under normal conditions. As you can clearly see and hear, the newly installed cooler is performing exceptionally well. It is completely silent, producing no distracting noise, which is a significant improvement. Furthermore, you can distinctly feel a strong, consistent, and efficient airflow emanating from the vents, indicating that the cooling system is effectively dissipating heat. This robust and silent cooling performance ensures that, from this point forward, the computer will no longer experience unexpected shutdowns or performance degradation due to overheating, providing a much more reliable and enjoyable user experience.